Thank y'all for coming out. This year's been, I've never had so much fun playing football in my life, and y'all been the biggest part of that, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate y'all coming out. Thank y'all for this year, and thank y'all for everything.
Thank you, Jake. Next is a senior All-American linebacker. Please welcome Reggie Ragland.
Oh, man. Every one of my teammates this year, I wouldn't have had the year I had. They supported me through the good times and the bad times, and they know I had a lot of bad times, and if it weren't for them, I wouldn't be where I'm at now, and Roll Tide.
Thank you, Reggie. Next, it's my pleasure to introduce our center and Remington Trophy winner and All-America, Ryan Kelly.
Thanks for coming out. I'm very fortunate that I can always call this place my home. It's because of all the people that are in the stands today, all the fans who make playing here so special, all the guys who are standing behind me who are truly brothers to me, and all the coaches who have put so much work into making us into men. So I'd just like to say thank you for everything so far. It's been an incredible opportunity, and Roll Tide.
Thank you, Ryan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if I started reading off all of this gentleman's accomplishments, we'd be here till Wednesday. Suffice to say, he is an All-America, the Doak Walker Award winner, and the 2015 Heisman Trophy winner. Ladies and gentlemen, Derrick Henry.
I want to thank y'all for coming out. I love these boys, like my brothers. It's been a fun year. It's unbelievable. God's been good to us. For us winning the SEC 2 years in a row, national championship, me bringing Alabama the second Heisman Trophy. And it's been unbelievable from the coaches, the team, the nutritionists, the trainers. It's just unbelievable. God's been very good to us. I'm very fortunate, and thank y'all for everything. Roll Tide.